creature was shit. Why did we have to wait 4 months for it? You said you were evolving but you didn't do bits. You just evolved into the first male with tits. You said you had to get some things off your chest, so tell me why the fuck do you still have breasts? Yeah, you're leaving the side men, but thankfully you made the other guys. But you didn't make me, so I can stand here on my own 2 feet as I chat shit about you on this old school beat. So let's get started on why your life's peak. Tommy Gunn got 2 mil views in 3 weeks, which means 14 million people didn't click it, cause they already knew that it was gonna be shit. I rate you though, JJ. You've made stacks, but the fact is you've killed more babies than tracks. And your EP flopped, you need to be stopped, cause none of your new singles are getting